You plug in your USB drive, and Windows immediately tells you it needs to be formatted. Whatever you do, do not click Format Disk. That will wipe your files completely. Your data is probably still there. Windows just forgot how to find it. Here is the fastest way to fix it. First, plug the drive directly into the back of your computer, not the front panel. Sometimes a weak connection causes a fake error. If it still will not open, search for Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. Type CHKDSK, your USB drive letter, then /F/X/R, and hit Enter. This forces Windows to rebuild the broken file system and recover your readable data automatically. If the screen says the drive is raw, Windows cannot fix it natively. You will need to run data recovery software like Recuva or Disk Drill to bypass the damage. And once you finally get your files back, throw that USB drive in the trash. Never trust a corrupted drive twice. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. Visit us at gwizit.com for more.